This is a stripped out and modified Jeep Gladiator, and it's called the Apocalypse Hellfire. What kind of a name is that? That is the weirdest name I've ever seen for a car, and in fact, they're very serious about the name. Anyway, let's have a closer look. So it has a lot of chains for towing. It has a big grille, and look at this logo. That is insane. That's an actual nuclear explosion. That's what they've chosen for their logo. That is the craziest logo I've ever seen. Anyway, this car, whatever it is, makes 850 horsepower, and it's a 6x6. So let's have a look at it a little closely. So you have a big suspension here. It's pretty well made. I think it's going to be quite sturdy, and well, I'm sure you can tell that this firm is, of course, from America, but not just America. It's from Florida, which is why now everything starts to make sense. So they've removed the doors. They put in these weird doors. They've changed the seats. The seats are much nicer now, and you get a lot of features as well. Like you get a big LCD screen, you get Bluetooth navigation, all the the cool things that you need. And of course, the interior is hand stitched. The roof panels are removable, like in the Jeep Gladiator, and on the back, you can order it as you want it. So this one has very big fenders. If you want fenders, you can have them. If you want something different style, you can have that. There's a side step as well, and of course you have the Hellcat logo here. That's because of the engine. It's a 6.2 liter from the Dodge Challenger Hellcat, and it makes 850 horsepower, just like the sticker on the windscreen said. So yes, this is a crazy and insanely powerful 6x6 truck, and it looks amazing. I mean, yes, it is crazy, and that's why I love it. So yeah, just had to show it to you. Just seeing it for the first time. I'm actually at the custom car show, and yeah, this is as custom as you can get, and this is absolutely insane. The price for this is around 1 million dirhams, which is an insane price for Jeep, honestly. And yeah, the interior is pretty nice. I like the combination of red and black. Plus, you get all the details, all the standard options that you get in a standard Jeep, and much more. So let me know in the comments what you think about this strange contraption of a car. And I have videos of on the Ford Super Truck, International MXT, and the International CXT as well, among other SUVs and trucks. So just have a look at my channel. I usually have videos of cars, supercars, hypercars, bikes, and SUVs, luxury cars. Not all my videos are in English. Just read the title carefully and find the word English there, and have a look. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and let me know what you think about this car in the comments.